Hi, it's Patrick. Have you ever wondered how to add fun AI tools to your Notion pages? Let me show you how. So here's an AI image generator embedded on a Notion page. So I can say, give me an image of a fox eating a banana. We can generate that image, and the image updates. So you can add a lot of rich interactivity to your Notion pages using create.xyz. What is Create? A website that lets you build full stack web applications and beautifully designed websites with simple text prompts in English, Japanese, Spanish, whatever language you speak. So here's inside of Create. All I did was just give the instructions, build a web page that takes user input and uses it to generate an image with stable diffusion. We generate all of the code for you. And I can come here, and if I go to share it, I can just come and I can copy this iframe code. If I go back to Notion, I can hit /embed. And if I paste in the code and do the embed link, it'll add this little AI tool that I built with Create into my Notion page. So we've got some great interactivity. So let me show you a couple other things you can do. Next, I trained a chatbot using Create, scraping the data from Notion, using ChatGPT to answer the user's questions. And this is going to go here to this page on some helpful tips for using Create that we wrote in Notion. And now I can chat with it. What is Create? And we get an answer. And go here. What are some helpful tips for prompting? I'll go ahead and hit send. And this is going to give me an answer with good formatted markdown output about how to chat. And if I look here, spec not chat, set the scene, etc., this is coming directly from the prompting tips here on the page. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty handy. Let's jump back. One other thing you can do is you can embed Notion pages in the websites and web applications that you use in Create. So you can go the other way too. Unfortunately, Notion makes this a little bit tough, but there are services out there like embednotion.com that'll give you a free embed. So here I embedded this page, and if I come back to Create, you can see here, all I did for the prompt was just create a docs page for a company and embed the iframe, which I grabbed from right over here, copy iframe. Finally, if you want to do some more advanced integrations, Notion has a pretty powerful API. And with Create, you can come in here and I can add backend functions. So I could say, call the Notion API to get page information or something like this. I could come in here and I can paste in some of the API documentation or relevant details, as well as I've got a place to upload my API docs and secrets. So we started with just a simple image generator embedded in a Notion page. We talked about some other cool capabilities for integrating Notion and create.xyz. There's really a lot that you can do. If you go build something, we'd love to see it.